I'm Dr. Katie Peters of Beach Mama Wellness, and today let's talk about Kegels. If you've been Kegeling and it isn't fixing your problems, this video is for you. If you have incontinence, prolapse, or any other symptoms such as painful intercourse in your pelvic floor, Kegels may not be the answer. In fact, most of these issues are actually caused from an overactive pelvic floor. And really, the problem is not strength, it's that those muscles are really, really tight. So instead of teaching your pelvic floor to contract over and over and over again, we really want to teach it how to lengthen out, right? So a lot of the way that we fix these problems is actually about teaching pelvic floor coordination. How does it really utilize this full range of motion? And for a lot of women who have incontinence or painful intercourse, our pelvic floor is kind of stuck in this tightened position and it can't get back here. So how do we teach it to really move through this full range of motion when you are doing other activities? And that's the key to improving some of these things, such as prolapse, incontinence, constipation, painful intercourse. We need to teach the pelvic floor coordination. So instead of doing Kegels all day long, because this is not how the pelvic floor is meant to function, start trying to work on your breathing, okay? This is really how the pelvic should work. It should coordinate with your diaphragm and really relax as you take big inhales and kind of get a natural lift as you exhale. So instead of standing there in Kegel, try this instead. Do a squat, okay? In that squat, focus on really inhaling and relaxing pelvic floor as you go into the squat, and exhale as you stand, right? It's as simple as that. Focus on your breath. Focus on training those muscles to be able to fully relax and fully contract. But if my muscles are always stuck right here, they're not going to be able to contract and support the way that they need to. It's going to start creating dysfunction. So as you inhale, we really want to train those muscles to relax. Train your body to breathe. Get this nice 360 breath and start utilizing that breath during all of the exercises that you're doing while you're picking up your kiddos, while you're doing anything else, when you're standing up off the toilet. Breathe, use your inhale and exhale, and see where that gets you instead of constantly doing Kegels.